Hello everyone, and welcome back to Machine's Visit. But before we begin, here's something that might surprise you. Every single year, the United States produces an astonishing 881.6 million pounds of mushrooms. At first, that number sounds almost unreal until you realize it. It's the result of some of the most advanced and carefully managed farming systems in the world. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden journey behind the mushrooms that quietly appear on millions of dinner tables. From massive farms where they grow in carefully controlled environments on nutrient-rich organic substrates, to high-tech processing facilities where every mushroom is inspected, harvested, and handled with incredible precision. What makes this story even more fascinating is the powerful combination of human expertise and cutting-edge technology working side by side. Farmers, machines, and advanced systems collaborate to increase productivity while protecting flavor, freshness, and quality. And trust me once you see how much science, precision, and effort goes into producing a single mushroom. You may never look at them the same way again. So stay with me because this journey is far more surprising than most people imagine. The first and arguably the most crucial step in mushroom farming begins long before any mushroom actually appears. It starts with preparing the growing medium, and this is where American farmers show extraordinary attention to detail. The process begins with simple natural materials: straw, hay, chicken manure, and small amounts of gypsum or lime to balance the pH levels. At first glance, it may seem like an ordinary mixture, but the preparation is anything but simple. The straw and hay are soaked thoroughly in water, allowing them to soften so that microorganisms can begin breaking them down efficiently. Once softened, these ingredients are carefully blended with chicken manure, which provides a powerful source of nitrogen the key nutrient mushrooms depend on to grow. The resulting mixture is rich, complex, and full of potential, but it doesn't stay in the open for long. Instead, it is transferred into massive composting chambers, where a carefully managed transformation begins, laying the foundation for a successful mushroom crop. Inside these composting chambers, something remarkable happens. Millions of microscopic organisms begin breaking down the mixture, slowly transforming it into a dense, nutrient-packed growing medium that mushrooms thrive in. But this transformation isn't left to chance. Farmers monitor every detail with extreme precision. Temperature, humidity, and airflow must all remain within exact limits. If even one factor drifts out of balance, the entire batch can be compromised. Over time, the mixture darkens and stabilizes, becoming clean, fertile, and perfectly prepared for mushroom cultivation. Once the compost reaches its ideal condition, it is transported to the growing rooms, using modern conveyor systems. Automated machinery spreads the material evenly across trays or racks, ensuring that every section receives the same amount. While the process may appear simple from the outside, it is actually a delicate operation where even the smallest mistake can affect the final crop. After the compost is prepared, the mushrooms are introduced through a process called inoculation, where mushroom spores or spawn are added to the growing medium. From that moment forward, patience and precision become essential. Mushrooms typically require 2 to 3 weeks to fully develop, and during this time they grow in tightly controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and oxygen levels are constantly regulated. These conditions mimic the natural habitats mushrooms prefer, but with far greater control and consistency. Slowly, small white caps begin emerging from the surface, expanding day by day. Depending on the variety, the caps may grow anywhere from 2.5 centimeters to nearly 12 centimeters in diameter before reaching the perfect harvesting stage. At that precise moment when the size, texture, and appearance are just right, the mushrooms are ready to be collected. Harvesting mushrooms is where technology, experience, and timing come together in a surprisingly intense process. Farms must move quickly but carefully, because mushrooms are delicate and can lose quality if handled improperly. Large-scale farms that produce millions of mushrooms each year often rely on specialized harvesting machines designed specifically for this task. These machines use sharp, precisely aligned blades that trim the stems at the base without damaging the caps. As each mushroom is cut, it drops gently onto a moving conveyor belt below. From there, the mushrooms are transported to automated sorting systems equipped with advanced sensors and cameras. These systems analyze each mushroom's size, shape, and surface condition in seconds. Mushrooms that meet strict quality standards continue toward packaging, while imperfect ones are separated automatically. This highly efficient process dramatically increases productivity while reducing errors and processing time. But technology doesn't stop there. Some of the most advanced farms have introduced robotic harvesting systems that look like something out of a science fiction film. These robots are programmed with extraordinary precision and equipped with flexible robotic arms capable of gently lifting mushrooms from the growing medium. Unlike rigid machinery, these robotic arms move carefully, ensuring that the fragile caps remain intact. Once a mushroom is picked, the robot trims the root. Incredibly, these systems can work continuously for hours without fatigue, dramatically increasing productivity while maintaining consistent quality. For large farms, this robotic technology has become a game-changing innovation. Yet despite all these technological breakthroughs, many farmers still prefer the traditional method harvesting by hand. For delicate mushroom varieties especially, human hands remain unmatched. Skilled workers use small cutting tools to carefully remove each mushroom from the growing medium, examining them individually as they work. During this process, mushrooms are sorted immediately and placed into trays prepared for packaging. On some farms, workers place the freshly picked mushrooms onto conveyor belts that carry them directly to sorting and packaging areas, helping maintain freshness and efficiency. This approach allows farms to balance traditional care with modern logistics. One of the greatest advantages of hand harvesting is the level of quality control it provides. Each mushroom is inspected at the exact moment it is picked. Workers can instantly remove any that show blemishes, pest damage, or signs of overripeness. This careful attention ensures that only the finest mushrooms reach consumers. Hand harvesting also gives farmers the flexibility to adapt to different mushroom varieties. For example, delicate mushrooms like oyster mushrooms require extremely gentle handling to prevent their thin caps from breaking. Meanwhile, sturdier varieties like shiitake mushrooms can tolerate firmer handling. This adaptability makes hand harvesting essential, especially for specialty mushrooms often sold at premium prices. Of course, this method comes with its own challenges. Hand harvesting mushrooms is not easy work. It is physically demanding and requires incredible patience. Workers often spend long hours leaning over growing trays or logs, carefully repeating the same precise movements, hundreds, sometimes even thousands of times during a single shift. It takes steady hands, sharp focus, and real experience to avoid damaging the delicate caps. Yet despite the difficulty, the results make the effort worthwhile. The careful attention given during hand harvesting ensures that every mushroom remains fresh, intact, and visually appealing by the time it reaches the market. In a world where machines and automation are rapidly dominating modern agriculture, this traditional method stands as a powerful reminder that the human touch still holds a unique value. This artisanal approach not only protects the natural quality of the mushrooms, but also reflects the dedication and skill of the workers whose careful efforts fill every basket with premium produce. Once the mushrooms are harvested, the journey is far from over. They are quickly transported from the harvesting area to specialized sorting and quality inspection zones where each batch is carefully evaluated. Only mushrooms that meet strict standards for size, appearance, and freshness are allowed to continue to the next stage. These selected mushrooms move onto automated packaging lines, where advanced machines weigh them with remarkable accuracy before neatly placing them into containers with the correct portion sizes. Each package is then sealed and labeled with essential information such as the product name, production date, and expiration date. To maintain maximum freshness, the packaged mushrooms are immediately transferred to cold storage facilities where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. For canned mushroom products, the process continues even further. The mushrooms are sliced, thoroughly washed, sterilized under high temperatures, and then sealed into cans or glass jars. This preservation process not only protects their natural flavor but also greatly extends their shelf life, providing consumers with a convenient product that maintains quality over time. But mushrooms are far more than just another ingredient found in everyday meals. In the United States, they carry significant economic and cultural importance. With annual production reaching hundreds of millions of pounds, the mushroom industry contributes billions of dollars to the national economy while supporting thousands of jobs across farms, processing plants, and distribution networks. In American cuisine, mushrooms have become an incredibly versatile ingredient, appearing in everything from fresh salads and pizzas to hearty soups and nutritious vegetarian dishes. Their rich flavor, adaptability, and impressive nutritional value have made them a favorite for both chefs and home cooks. Beyond the kitchen, Mushrooms also play an important role in scientific research and biotechnology. Researchers are exploring their potential in medicine, sustainable materials, and environmental solutions, demonstrating that these humble fungi may hold surprising benefits far beyond the dinner plate. And with that, we reach the end of our fascinating journey from organic growing substrates on carefully managed farms to the harvesting, processing, and distribution of hundreds of millions of pounds of mushrooms every single year. What may seem like a simple ingredient actually represents a complex world of science, dedication, and innovation. Behind every mushroom is the hard work of farmers, the precision of modern technology, and the commitment to delivering safe, fresh food to millions of people. Thank you for joining me on this eye-opening exploration. If you enjoyed discovering how these incredible foods are produced, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next story. In our upcoming videos, we'll continue uncovering the hidden journeys behind the amazing gifts that nature provides. Until next time, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next adventure.